Hi everyone, it's me again, Lola's Collection. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a glass noodles with beef. Here are the ingredients. I got beef. This is about quarter of a pound, I guess. Here I have some onions and garlic over here. I have some spinach. I have some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, carrots. I have different varieties of bell peppers. I have red, yellow, and orange. And this one here, this is fungus. It's a wooden mushroom or something. It's a dark. It's something of a fungus. Anyway, it's really good for glass noodles. And I have snap peas over here. Okay, and of course the oil. So I'm going to turn on my stove here. Warm it up. I love this gas stove, boy, because I love cooking, so I gotta have this. Okay, I'm gonna grab spoon and grab something here. Here, stick my spoon. Okay, I'm going to put about 3 tablespoonful of oil, or about a couple. You want it not sticking in the pan. Okay, there you go. Because we're gonna add some sesame oil later on. So, okay, let's warm that up. I should have warmed it up earlier. And okay, let's keep it warm. And I'm gonna drop my beef. Okay, the beef. Because I already, as you can see here, I already soak the noodles. It's actually, this is the noodles that I use. If you're wondering it says sweet potato vermicelli. It's really nice. Okay, you can get it in a different Asian store. Okay. Cool. And gonna help enough here. See this mushroom here? This is really good. You can get it at any stores actually. All stores carry them all the time. So well, there you go. It is cooking. It is cooking. Because this is beef, you don't have to cook it too long. As soon as the redness is done, it'll be okay. Good. And we'll put this garlic, onions, I gotta put some salt. Just a tiny bit of salt. With the salt, it's really your preference how much you want to put it in, and also ground pepper. You can even smell this dish. Really yummy. This glass noodles becomes my favorite actually. Okay, we'll put in the carrots. Okay. Mustard pea. This is my version, actually. This is my version of, you know, with when you're cooking, you're just gonna think what you wanna eat. What you wanna eat is what you wanna put in what you're cooking. That's how I see it. Okay, and then you can drop this different colors of bell peppers, and of course the fungus, the black fungus. Okay. Let it stir. Wow, look at the color of that. Actually, the bell peppers, the yellow and the orange and the red, it gives it a really nice color. But also, it's also good vegetables. It has lots of vitamin C. Okay. Look at that. I think I need to cover this for a couple of minutes. There we go. There. I'll put a little more. Look up something. Okay, we're gonna put some spinach here. Spinach. This spinach is you know, just a bunch of spinach that you can get in every grocery stores. Okay, and another thing I'm gonna put it in is enoki noodles. See how looks fresh it is. Go stir it. Use some chopstick. Oops. I think my frying pan is too small. My wok is too small. I should have used a bigger one. Now look at that. Look at that. It integrated already. Look how beautiful. And then it'll be really nice with the glass noodles. It's a one dish meal, you know, because you have meat, you have vegetables, and you have the noodles. They're really nice. Really nice. Okay, and I'm going to put some soy sauce. That's not too much. Okay. And some oyster sauce a little bit. Maybe just about a little bit over a teaspoon. Look at that. Now, it's the noodle time. Drop the noodles in there. With these noodles, I'm going to use the gloves. This is how you cook these noodles. Really, you have to. Okay. There you go. As you can see, there it is. It's soaked, and I boiled it for about 5 minutes, and then I let it soak. Because this type of noodles, it's a little bit harder than the other noodles, because This is a sweet potato noodles. Let's see here. There you go. Okay, let's chop her in. Oh. There you go. There. Is that? And look at that. Look at the color of the noodles. It really looks so good. If you can even smell the smell of this dish. The smell, oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna put some sesame oil. Sesame oil is always the last thing you put in. And so is the sesame seeds. Go. About, because the noodles are already cooked and the stuff is already cooked. Now it's done. Look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And if you can even smell it, my goodness, makes me hungry. I'm sure my husband is hungry now. Okay, how about let's try this? Let's try this. That I'm gonna take my gloves off. Look how shiny this glass noodles. Look at that. That's the problem with this. I didn't want to cut it because it's just, that's the way it is. There you go. There. I gotta have a chopstick. Okay, there you go. That. Wow. Excellent. There you go. You got these glass noodles. And I hope you like and subscribe from Lola's Collections. See you again soon.